You all heard of fancy fashion studios where each piece of clothing can cost you lakhs of rupees. We all have been to simple fashion stores where we end up buying our day-to-day clothes. So what is so special about these fashion studios and what's the difference between a fashion studio and a normal fashion store? Hey guys, I'm Anmol here from the Bikai YouTube channel, and in this video we will check out what's the difference between a fashion studio and a normal fashion store, and if you want to make your own fashion studio, then this video is for you. Our first point is, who is it for? A fashion store is for everyday fashion purchase where you may end up buying most of your clothes in a normal fashion store. But a fashion studio is for someone whose work depends on what they wear. For example, model or an actor. Also, a fashion studio is for someone who's looking for a personalized one-time experience, maybe a wedding or some major occasion. So our next point is collections. Fashion store has your normal fast-moving collections and stock. They prioritize clothes based on which designs move fast. They are not really looking to personalize clothing to their customer needs. It's more focused on what's working in the market now and what will be sold. But a fashion studios don't focus too much on things like inventory and fast-moving designs. A fashion studio carries a very basic amount of inventory and most of the items are just design concepts. They are typically looking to customize everything to the customer taste, irrelevant on what's going in the market. So our next point is personalization. In a fashion store, the extent of customization is size and color. Further, the customizations are not possible in a fashion store, but a fashion studio is looking to customize every aspect of the piece of clothing its customer needs. In fact, you will see a lot of them carry accessories as well, and the overall goal is to create a new personalized style for their specific customers. Our next point is cost. A customer can typically purchase everything he needs in a fashion store for about 2 to 3,000 maximum, but in a fashion studio, there is no upper limit to the cost. Sometimes it can go to lakhs together for a single piece of clothing. Our next point is brands. Well-known brands for a normal fashion store are like Levi's, Van Heusen, UCB, etc. In fashion studios, the name of the owner is brand, like Sabyasachi Mukherjee, Manish Malhotra are well-known designers who are in brand in themselves. Our next point is size. Typically, if there is a well-run fashion store, the size of the store can be anywhere between 100 to 10,000 square feet, and you will also see they have a lot of change in fashion stores as well. A fashion studio brand is isolated to one or two studios, as the fashion designer is what makes them work. The goal of the fashion studio is not to open many stores but to create trends which others will follow. Our next point is number of transactions per day. The volume of transactions in a small fashion store can be anywhere between 50 to 60 transactions per day. Their gross margins are typically 30%, and most of the fashion stores can have a net margin of 12% maximum. But a fashion studios may have just 1 or 2 transactions per day. After all their costs, their net margin can be quite steep at about 25 to 30%. But as mentioned earlier, the main goal of fashion studio is to set trends. Our next point is how to decide what you should start. Start a fashion store if you can spot fashion trends and if you can keep your inventory which you carry to a minimum level. You can start a fashion studio if you are creative enough to think of new ideas. They are fascinating enough to convince your customers to a new personalized style and can use your intellect, creativity and charm to establish fashion trends. Typically, fashion studios are started by the best creative designers who have incredible talent and have undergone training in NIFD, that is National Institute of Fashion Designing, or they have worked under very successful fashion designers. Even if you have a fashion studio or a fashion store, I am 100% sure you need a strong online presence, and for that you should check out Bikai app. The Bikai app link is in the description already. We can help both fashion studios and fashion store setup. Many stores and studios have already started their business through Bikai app, and also we have recently added some beautiful new themes, so don't forget to check them out. If you have any query, please write it down in the comment section, and you can also contact our customer support team as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.